Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking Hungarian mushroom soup. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, dissolve the stock pot in boiling water to make the chicken stock. Put a saucepan on a medium heat and melt the butter. Now add the onions and sauté for 5 minutes. Add in the mushrooms and sauté for another 5 minutes. Don't worry, they will significantly reduce in size as they cook. Now add in the paprika, dill, soy sauce and chicken stock. Give it a good stir, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer with a lid on for 15 minutes. In a bowl, whisk together the milk and flour. After the mushrooms have been cooking for 15 minutes, pour in the milk mix. Give it a good stir, put the lid back on and simmer for a further 15 minutes. Finally, mix in the lemon juice, salt, pepper, parsley and sour cream. Stir it all together and cook for a final 5 minutes to ensure everything is warmed through. Serve this delicious soup with an extra drizzle of sour cream. One bowl is guaranteed to not be enough. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.